Titanium camping pans are a popular choice among outdoor enthusiasts due to their durability, lightweight construction, and non-stick surface. There are many products available to choose titanium camping pans, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best titanium camping pans from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Seo Canescape Titanium Camping Cooking Pot. Introducing the Seo Canescape Camping Pot, the perfect companion for outdoor cooking adventures. This 2-in-1 cookware set includes a frying pan that can also be used as a cover for the pot, allowing you to cook multiple dishes at once. Made from 99.99% titanium, this pot is not only safe and healthy, but also resistant to rust and metallic smells. The round bottom edges make cleaning a breeze and improve heating efficiency. With its folding handle, the pot is easy to use and store, and it even comes with a carrying bag for added convenience. Lightweight yet strong, this pot set is ideal for camping, backpacking, hiking, and more. Give the gift of outdoor cooking with the Seo Canescape Camping Pot. Number 2. Titanium Pot 1100 milliliters with Frying Pan Lid. Maxi Titanium Cookware Set is crafted from premium titanium, ensuring strength and durability in outdoor conditions. The 1100 milliliters pot offers ample space for cooking and boiling water. The multifunctional frying pan lid can be used for cooking or as a plate. Lightweight and portable, this set is easy to carry. The foldable handles and easy-to-clean surface add convenience to your outdoor cooking experience. Number 3. Boundless Voyage Titanium Frying Pan. The Boundless Voyage Titanium Frying Pan with lid is a premium, ultralight cookware option for outdoor enthusiasts. The pan is made of titanium, making it lightweight and strong. With a diameter of 7.5 inches and a depth of 2 inches, it's equipped with foldable handles for easy storage and transportation. The pan also comes with a lid to prevent heat loss and food contamination. The sandblasted edges make it easy to clean, and the foldable handle helps prevent burns. Additionally, the pan comes with a storage bag, perfect for travel and storage. Number 4. Boundless Voyage Ultralight Titanium Frying Pan. Boundless Voyage Titanium Pan T15170B is a versatile outdoor camping skillet with a foldable handle for easy carrying. The anti-fingerprint blasting surface prevents smudges, ensuring a clean look. This pan allows you to cook various meals on the go, from steaks to veggies. It comes with a convenient storage mesh bag for post-meal cleanup. Made of strong and ultralight titanium, this pan is perfect for camping, hiking, or even everyday use at home. Number 5. Boundless Voyage Outdoor Titanium Pot. The Boundless Voyage pot and pan set is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts. Made of high-quality titanium, this set is durable, rust-resistant, and heat-efficient. The set includes a 1,000 milliliters pot and a 500 milliliters pan, both with foldable handles for easy storage. With a total weight of only 180 g, it is extremely lightweight and convenient to carry. Whether you are camping, hiking, or backpacking, this set is perfect for all your cooking needs. The folding handles design allows for space-saving storage, and the customized storage mesh bag and carton make the packs very compact. Experience the convenience and portability of the Boundless Voyage pot and pan set on your next outdoor adventure.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.